Wait, guys. Can I summon?
Why?
The imp or the whatever.
What took you so long to get here?
I don't know.
He has high heels, no running shoes.
You're the only one who can excuse that. Can use that excuse.
I
By the way,
heal.
yellow power should help shower resistance exam.
Oh, Dagna. What was that?
That was a close one.
Yeah, the hunter is there. Should we have no health stones? Get your tremor ready. 5 seconds.
I'm gonna send me come.
Blind.
Warmane not getting any damage.
What, you're not getting?
No.
You have like 3 balloons on you.
No, I really want damage, not linked from you. I wasn't linked.
Who was then?
No clue. That I can say.
Killer. Just don't fuck up the bites now. I mean, have it. We have it. Anyways.
Oh yay.
Anything decent?
I want it for Ospec. Both of them.
Nice 11k though.
But Sylvan's main spec I still so
Sorry.
you can have it. You can have it. I didn't get it! So nice from you.
I'm sorry.
No problem.